My name is Rohit. I am telling about angles of property. Sum of the angles in any triangle is equal to 180. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Angle A is equal to 60, angle B is equal to 60, angle C is equal to 60. These angles are formed like straight angles. In angle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. 60 plus 60 plus 60 is equal to 180. Another, and PQR is a triangle.
triangle? Which triangle?
Right angle.
Right angle triangle. అది చెప్పాలి.
P is equal, angle P is equal to 50, angle Q is equal to 90, angle R is equal to 40. These angles are formed like straight angle. In triangle PQR is equal, angle P is equal, angle
We
P
cut the
plus
figures. We arrange these three. ఈ మూడు కట్ చేసి ఇట్లా పెట్టేస్తే స్ట్రైట్ యాంగిల్ వస్తుంది.
angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180. 50 plus 90 plus 40 is equal to 160.
కట్ చేసి